What do you do after you've been in a car accident in the state of Florida? Did you know there are several steps that you can take and should take and must take if you want to protect your rights? If you've been in an accident, the other side's at fault? Hi, I'm Bill Umansky, the lawman. Today we're going to talk about the steps you should take if you've been in an accident and the other side's at fault. First, you obviously want to check on the safety of your passengers in your vehicle and yourself. You also then want to check on the safety and passengers of the other vehicles involved in the accident. You definitely don't want to get into any kind of confrontation, but you definitely want to check on the safety of these other people. The next thing you should do is call the police immediately. Make sure that the accident is documented. In fact, leaving the scene of an accident is a crime, and you definitely don't want to do that. The third thing that you should do is take videotaped evidence of your car, the other cars involved in the accident, any fluid or broken debris or equipment that's on the ground, any equipment in your vehicle that may have been destroyed, the property damage of all the vehicles involved in the accident, and if there's a witness or the other party is irate or angry or pissed off, you may even want to get some videotape of that as well. You also should take photographic evidence. Photographic evidence of the property damage of your vehicle and all other vehicles involved in the crash, even if the property damage is not a lot. And this is important because in some cases you may get rear-ended and there's very little damage to your vehicle, but the other vehicle has huge amounts of damage. And we'll later on in another video talk about why that's important. Suffice it to say, take property damage photos of all vehicles involved in the accident. If you've had any equipment like a stroller or a car seat that's snapped off or a mirror inside the car, get those pictures also. Any interior damage to the vehicle is important to get, and if you have any cuts or bruises not often happen right after an accident but can surface a day later, but at the scene you may have some cuts and scrapes, you want to get photos of that as well. The other thing that you should do is if there's witnesses, you want to get their name, address, phone number, email, all their identifying information. You want to get that, you want to write that down, especially if they saw the accident and especially if they take your side of what happened. Why? Don't count on the police officers just to do their job. Sometimes they don't have the will, time, or energy to get those names, addresses, and phone numbers of those witnesses. So make sure that you do. If you have any questions at all, you call me, the lawman, 407-228-3838, lawman out.